Hi, my name is Jim Letazzori, and I'm the Assistant Manager at Mascarillo's Garden Shop in West Hartford. I'm here today to speak to you regarding overseeding your lawn this fall. Fall is an excellent time to do it, so what do you need to do? First, you want to have the right tools. You need a good rake, you want a spreader, and you want a sprinkler. Those are the three basic tools you need. One of the most important investments you have is a spreader. It has proper settings, you put it in a nice even distribution as you go. These are the materials you're going to need. You're going to need a very good topsoil, then you're going to want lime to maintain proper pH, fertilizer to feed the new seed, and then mulch to protect the seed, and you want to make sure that it's weed-free and sterile. Then you're going to need grass seed, and there's basically three kinds of grass seed. There's shade, sun and shade, and sun. This is very important because shade seed will tolerate sun, but sun seed does not tolerate shade. So you want to make sure you choose the right seed for your location for the sun and shade. Now, how do we apply all this? First thing you want to do, and this is where you need your rake, you want to take your rake and do a good hard raking of your lawn, get all that dead thatch out so you get down to some soil. Once you've done that, you want to take your topsoil and do just a dusting of soil on top of the thing. You don't need to add any height or anything, just a little dusting for the seed to root into. Once you've got the soil down, you want to put your lime down, then you want to put your fertilizer down, then you put your grass seed down. Once you've got all that down on the ground, then you want to cover the grass seed with your sterile weed-free mulch. Once all that's done, the final stage is maintaining afterwards, and this is the very most important part. You want to make sure you keep your lawn watered, so you need to water at least once a day for 20 to 30 minutes. If you need to, you do it twice a day. Follow these simple steps and you'll have a nice, beautiful, thick lawn. If you have any questions, feel free to ask any of our staff here at Mascarillo's, and we can help you choose the right grass seed, the right materials, everything you need. Thank you, I'm Jim, and hope you have a good day.